Today I'm going to be reviewing these BH corner hangers, and these hangers are space saver hangers and they come in a set of 10. The measurement for these hangers are 9.6 by 4.2. You can see how much space all this is taking. So can you imagine using this? I can now hang up all its clothes. Just one small section like this will hang up all this clothes, saving space. And it's very strong. This is an heavy hoodie. This hoodie is quite heavy, so but can you see it's so strong that it holds onto the hoodie very well. I'm gonna put another one like this, and now you can see how much space I've saved. So you can arrange it this way vertically. You can also take the hanger and get up like this horizontally, and then you can hang up your clothes like that. So if you have a small space or a small closet area, this will be so beneficial for you, especially if you have kids that are going to college. Also, this will be very beneficial. So we absolutely love it, and we're gonna keep on buying some more.